Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to another update video. What's going on? How you guys doing? So Monday I hopped on, gave you guys an update, what I was doing, what I bought, and now I want to close out and give you guys just an update on what happened throughout the week. So today I'm up 7.77% and I'm down 0.07% after hours. So it's good to be in the green, man, because started this journey in December 2024 and just been buying AMD, which I will get to later on in the video. And AMD's been dipping, man. And but we have a long-term outlook on that. So we get to buy a quality company at the dip. So in the meantime, with the whole tariffs and just the volatility of the market, I decided to get a loan, and then I bought the dip, and it's paying. So couple things. So I am in some Amazon calls that expire next week. I'm down about 10% on that. So next week, Amazon is at a nice support zone. It pulled back quite a bit during the tariff talks and all that. So I do see Amazon bouncing back from its support at this area. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. And then I had got some SoFi calls. And this is, considered a leap. Well, it's a long-term call because a leap will probably be a year. But long-term options on this. And currently I'm up about almost 20%. So I had two of these. I sold one at about 12%, and that's what I use to jump on Amazon. So I'm going to keep this one because, SoFi is a great upcoming company, and I think it has a lot of upside. I have a $20 price target that I'm willing to sell this at. So we'll see how that goes with SoFi. The big dog, NVIDIA, man, this was such a good investment. So there's so much to say about this. So I got in at NVIDIA at 106. And the crazy part is when I bought the contract, I shared it with one of my friends and I told him, hey, I got these long-term contracts. I actually shared it with two people, and I told the first person, and he was like, man, I was thinking the same thing. And he was like, man, that's such a great play. And then someone else told me, hey, man, wait till it go lower. And my advice, and this is not financial advice. This is just strictly for your entertainment. When someone tells you, man, it can go lower, that's your cue to buy. And, NVIDIA had was at 106, which from its high was like 140. So, man, just had I listened, I would have missed out on such a tremendous gain. I think NVIDIA is up about 10% just this week alone. And we know NVIDIA can get to the 30s, the 140s, even the 150s. NVIDIA just can have a monster year. Of course, not to the degree of the last one, or maybe it can get to that. But we just know NVIDIA is still the big dog in Wall Street. And this stock isn't going nowhere anytime soon. So let's go to AMD. So AMD is back over $100. I'm still at 54 shares of AMD with the average cost of 107.27. And that's 50% of my portfolio. So just like NVIDIA will do well, AMD will do well. The sentiments of the market will soon pass, like the negative sentiments they have on AMD, and then AMD will do well with the GPU chips, the data centers, and the gaming chips, and just the overall with tech and AI, the sentiments of those two. AMD will do well. So I will continue to buy AMD. My goal is to get to 100 shares of AMD by the summertime. I'm going to put all money on that, profits from trading on that. Yeah. And that's how I'm going to get there. So when this hits 100%, I may, because remember, this is loan money. So I do want to pay back the loan with minimum interest, and then profits will be placed in AMD, and then I'll keep probably a little bit to do some contracts. So the the biggest lesson that I learned from this is that long term is the best way, and especially when trading options too, long term is the best way. And I'm glad I got these. It's good to see my portfolio well above, not well above, but above 10K. You know, it's good. And then hopefully, once I return the 4,500, that it's still above 10K. That's the ultimate goal. And I want to double my money, at least be before I return it. So, all right, man. I wanted to jump on, give you guys this update. It's good to see green, and I will catch you all next week. All right, guys, take care.